But the way of the world is to have control of your finances. Well, at least you have complete control of your finances. Because you and the bank own the car if you're leasing it. The bank is not going to put themselves in a non-equity position. So for that 3 years, you all equity.
Nation, listen, this will be one of those days where I record about maybe 3 or 4 videos in the day. I'm dressed for work, so as soon as I get done with these videos, I gotta head to work. In this video, I will be heading to the Mercedes dealership. As I told y'all, I will be trying to bring in other kind of car content. Now, I love Mopar, I love Scat Packs, I love Hellcats, I love all of that. Some of y'all said, why don't you get a Trackhawk or Durango? I'm not really interested in those Mopars. I just love, you know, I love the Chargers. I love the Chargers because it is a full, like, family-size car. I don't have a family, but I love the spaciousness of it. And the Challenger, everything feels kind of tight. But that's not what this video is about. Like I said, I'm about to head to the Mercedes dealership in Fayetteville. I got a buddy there, so he's gonna be giving me like a review of some of the cars. I've been reading y'all comments about, you know, the cost whenever something tear up, you know, whatever. But I'm going to get my own insight over at Mercedes. So make sure y'all go ahead and like this video, drop a green emoji when the video is over with, come back and leave an extra comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then stop playing it. Also, why haven't you entered into the giveaway? Again, I think it is still 2 more weeks left, if I'm not mistaken. Make sure y'all enter into the giveaway if y'all want to win a GoPro Hero 9 camera and also some free merch. Just head over to slimepack.store, purchase anything off the site, and you will be entered into the giveaway. And yeah, you can have your chance to win the camera. So y'all, I am inside of Mercedes with, go ahead, shout it out, man.
It's your boy Junior_392 with another video with the Pizzazz.
Yo, we in his territory. Y'all done see him at Dodge, now we at Mercedes. What's this right here?
It's the 2021 S580 4MATIC.
Fancy. Ooh. Look at that screen. Oh. Hey, it's bigger than a Tesla screen.
This right here, it's got the designer package. This don't have the executive, so you know how to recline the seats in the back. You got your AMGs, your run flags. You got your piano key lacquer with the Burmeister stereo system.
Yo, this is too nice.
The umbrella holder there. Of course, you know, there's no spare tire.
Right?
Run flags all day long. You get a flag, keep on going. Even though my child, I get a flag, I'm gonna keep on going. Go ahead, check that out. Tell me what you think about that, y'all.
See, now this right here is the size of a Tesla screen right there. Yeah. But this right here, that's on people's TV. Yo, look at the stitching in the seats.
Yeah, the diamond stitching. You got your ventilated cool seats in the rear and the front. Oh yeah.
So how much this running for?
This one right here, I'm running around 128 and everything. It's got your valet service. They come pick the car from your house, service it, clean it, bring it right back to you. They'll come to your house, fill it up with gas. Let's say you ain't got no gas though. They'll come, send a tow truck, put it on the bed, take it, fill it up, bring it back to you. That one what's it.
So you the best salesman here?
I'm the best one they got.
The best one?
The best one they got. Check this out. I'll show y'all something.
That's a desktop computer right there.
Yeah. So your navigation and everything there. Look at that. Then you got your 360 camera view.
Look at the blue lights just came on.
Oh yeah, the whole car trim. You can actually change the lighting.
You can change the color?
You can change the colors and everything. See ambient lighting. But you can turn it. Then you can do multicolor. Sort of like on the Chargers, how we do our headlights.
Yeah.
Look at that. Just change all different colors. And then when you're driving and you get close to somebody and you don't slow down,
it'll slow down?
The whole car turns candy apple red. Slow the car down. You ain't got to touch it. You're going to slow it down to a complete stop. The sunroof ain't no button. We don't do buttons.
Oh, I ain't even.
You just take your hand and.
What's that, panoramic?
Full panel. You just take your finger and slide on back.
Now, what if you want it vented?
Huh?
What if you want it vented? You know how like we have ours?
Yeah. Do it like that. Close up a little bit.
Oh yeah. That's a big sunroof right there. We got a little window.
Them big boy sunroofs. What Kodak might say? Big boy died. Big boy sunroofs. Big boy sunroofs.
That covered the whole roof. We got a little patch in our room.
Open the rear screen for the back. Yeah. That's how you make your roof disappear. And this can be yours for a low 125.
You said a low
125. That's
low
it.
125.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. With all the stuff, you got 496 horsepower, 4MATIC, all-wheel drive.
Hey, that's 496 horsepower. Our Charger come with 485, y'all. This is a
full-size sedan.
Top of the line.
500 horsepower. And that's just factory spec.
Factory.
And you can do a downpipe on this car.
You can do a downpipe?
You're downpiping. They got the active exhaust where you can take and change the different sounds and everything. Oh, this car can do some stuff.
Yeah, see, I just thought Mercedes was just, you know, just classy, quiet and classy. You talking about 496 horsepower?
496 horsepower.
Talking my numbers now.
All four-wheel drive. And it's a base model.
He said it's a base model.
It's a base model.
So what, the top of the line got a Hellcat motor?
Top of the line, you got a S63 motor in it. The S63 motor.
So how much horsepower is that?
842 horsepower all-wheel drive. Then we got an older S63 outside. An older one. That's a pre-owned 18 with 25,000 miles. That was going for 148. Brand new, 199.
Ooh.
Then under the hood, ain't really nothing to see.
He about to pop the hood. Look, them Pirellis, then what ours come with?
Yeah, put the Pirellis on there, and you see them big boy Brembos.
Oh yeah. In the front and the back.
Double pump.
You see the camera right there.
Oh yeah, the car drives itself.
Now that's the engine.
And these run right on back here to, you probably can see it through the vent, the turbos.
Yeah.
You got the turbo pipes back here, and these are turbo vents. All that cold air going here. It's got an intercooler. The cooler antifreeze going through the motor. They keep the car as cold as possible, because you know a cold car.
Oh yeah. Now, I did not know, you know, Mercedes was stepping like this.
Yeah. All aluminum casing to cover your motor and everything. Front end impact. It releases the back mounts. Just drop down to the ground. Go under. Lift the wheels off the ground.
So they were saying, you know, don't get, you know, Mercedes, BMW because they tear up easy or their cost or it's real expensive.
Now, it's expensive to fix, but that's why they offer you a service warranty. your car can be, all your oil changes, your tire rotations, all your services are covered within your lease or your loan. So all you worry about is the car note.
That's it.
5 years, 60,000 miles. That's all you worry about is car note.
Oh man, how to close it that loud?
Cameras everywhere. Yeah. 360 camera. You see this side? Go on that side. Let me see this side. So let's say you in the car, right? And you want to just want to check everything out. Check your surroundings out and everything. Then you can actually go here, then go to your 360 camera, like we sitting right here.
Mm-hmm.
I can show you the car sitting in there.
And which doors is open, and that's what's red.
Look at that. You can turn the whole car around. Look at that. You see the car pull up in front of you. Now you close the trunk right here.
You ain't got to get out to close the trunk.
They're showing us closed. Now, look at this. It shows you the actual car. You can change the color of the car to match your car. If you want yours to have headlights on, when you're looking at your 360 camera view, you can. Then you want to get real crazy with it, right? Your comfort. Go to your massaging seats. All right, you can go mobilize. You sit in the vehicle, it'll massage you, activate massage. It's got your hot shoulders where it massages you with a hot material. And you got your seat. You got your seat kinetics. When you sit in the car, it will conform to your body. You can go shoulders and just change how everything is going to be. Intensity, the side bolsters, the dynamic multi-core seats, automatic seat positioning. Let's say if you're like I'm 6'3". Start positioning. It's going to put me where the car says I'm supposed to be sitting at.
And that's comfortable for you.
Mm-hmm. So let's say if I put it at someone shorter,
automatically move
according to where your eyesight and the car say you're supposed to be sitting at to see the car perfectly. Go back to my seat, 6'4". Start positioning. And it's scanning my body weight, everything.
So let's say if this warranty goes out, something happened with this screen.
Mm-hmm. Screwed. Get a warranty.
Extended warranty?
Get an extended warranty, but all these cars come with a 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty that covers everything.
Mm-hmm.
Most people keep vehicles every 3 to 4 years. They get rid of them. The average trade cycle of a vehicle right now is 3.5 to 4 years. That's when the warranty of Mercedes will run out. You get it as a lease, and then after your lease is up, so you can go ahead and purchase the car, add a new 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty. Now you cover it up to 115,000 miles, just like you bought the car brand new.
All right.
Peace of mind. That's the main thing, peace of mind.
So it's actually better to lease and buy it, so.
Yes. Always best to lease a car first. On your high-end vehicles, anything over $60,000, it's best to lease it first. The reason why is the residual value on a vehicle drops at about 3.5 to 4 years. The average trade cycle, the actual life of most auto loans. So if you're financing this car, your payment gonna be higher, number one, for 7 to 8 years, when you get a little bit less payment for 3 years, and you're completely covered on all the manufacturer warranty. You can ride a good 3-4 years. Mm-hmm. Technology in cars change every 3 to 4 years. So when the new technology is about to come out, your lease is up. You have no negative equity. You're in an equity position if you decide to keep it. You got a short trade cycle, and you're in a positive situation all the way around, so you can't get screwed. Always lease your car first. 60 grand or higher, lease it first, because you can't control nobody else's driving. Somebody tap this car and do, let's say, 30,000 worth of damage. This is a $135,000 car. You're underneath the cap, so they're gonna fix and give it back to you. Now you owe $120,000 on a car that's worth 70,000, 80,000.
Right.
You're 40 grand flipped. But if you leased it at the end of the lease, Here's your keys. Go get you one with a good Carfax. You back in the equity position.
Give me some knowledge.
For fun. I do this for a living.
Give me some knowledge.
I'm telling you.
Lease first.
Lease
over
first.
60,000.
Yes, lease first. Because you can't control other people's driving.
Sure can't.
Can't.
No matter how aware you are, you don't know what other person thinking.
You know what person's gonna think or what they're gonna do. You be driving down the street, and happen to look in your mirror. Somebody come in and hit you in the corner of your car, turn you around, you hit a tree, this, that, and other. God forbid that happens to anybody.
Right.
But the way of the world is to have control of your finances. With a lease, you have complete control of your finances. Because you and the bank own the car if you're leasing it. The bank is not gonna put themselves in a non-equity position. So for that 3 years, you all equity. Now at the end of that lease, you have options. I can keep it, finance that balance, add a warranty to it, drop it off, here are your keys, I don't want it no more.
Right.
Or you can trade it in. If you got equity in the car, trade it in, you got positive money going to your new car.
Right.
So in the way of the world, having control of your finances, at least is always the best way to do it. Always.
You speaking knowledge on here now.
Love it.
They so fancy, they got a button to close the door. Just what I gotta do, just. And it's gonna close the rest. See, what they should have did was tap.
On the main bar, you don't have to close the door.
You don't?
When you get in, you touch the button and the door closes.
Right.
But this is just like I said, this is on the lower end.
Hey,
So you do this.
lower end look like a high end to me. So make sure y'all come see.
Hey, your boy Junior _392 Scatpack. Come and see me, y'all. I'm right here, Mercedes-Benz of Fayetteville.
He work at Mercedes-Benz and he drive a Scatpack.
And you drive a Scatpack. Power all the way around.
You must be a subscriber. Like, come on, you can't jump on this train for free. You gotta be a subscriber. Number 2, you gotta go to Scatpack.store and get anything off the website. Purchasing whatever on the website will automatically enter you into the database to win the camera. Also, enter in your email. I think it automatically requires you to enter your email, so you will receive your tracking order and everything for when you order the t-shirts. So that's how I will be contacting you, by email. There will be a video saying that I have picked the winner. Number 3. What's number 3? Just comment on every video, watch every video, like every video. That's all I ask. Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, go to Scatpack.store and purchase anything off the site. I need y'all support just like y'all need my support. Watch, like, and comment on every video. That's all I ask.